Hello friends and welcome to Edupedia World Videos. This is the course Linux Operating Systems Basics with Vagish Kumar, and in this particular tutorial we are covering VI Editor. So earlier we have covered various modes that are there in VI Editor. We have also seen how to install VIM Editor on your command line through your command line on your Linux system, and then we have learned about some of the commands in the escape mode. Okay, so now when you go ahead, you have some more commands in the escape mode that we'll be studying over here. So first of all, there is the command / which is used to search for a string towards the bottom of the file from the current position. So it searches for a string but in the downwards direction. Okay, so in the forwards direction or in the downwards direction from the current position onwards. So if the string exists in any place after your current position, it will get that highlighted, and you can also switch between various places where that string occurs. Similarly, there is a command * that will search for string towards top of the file from the current position. So this is just the opposite of what / does. / searches for the string in the downwards direction, whereas * searches for the string in the upwards direction. Okay, then there is one command known as Y, which is yanking or copying. So that is simply in simple words, it is copying any text from the VI editor. So you can press Y and it will copy the line below your cursor. So it will copy that particular line where your cursor is, and D is used for cutting. So, and similarly P is used for pasting all those that you have copied or cut. Okay, and you can use arrow keys to move around. So it will be more clear when we actually do the practical. So let us switch to our VI screen. So what I'll do is I'll just open a VI file again and I'll write something into this so that we can use it to test our commands. Okay, so I have written just some random lines into this file, and let us test our first command that we were doing, which is /. So /, as soon as you press / in the escape mode, first thing you have to remember that you should not be in insert mode. So when you press I, you enter into the insert mode, and insert comes written over here. So you have to press escape once so that this insert disappears from over here at the bottom left corner of your screen, and you get back into the escape mode. At this particular mode, you can press / and it will appear here on the screen, and you can type anything and it will search in the particular file. So we are, suppose the cursor at this time is on the word second. You can see the cursor over here. Okay, and now if I search for the word is, so to search, what I'll do is I'll press /, this prompt will appear over here, then I will type the word I want to look for and I will press enter, and it will search and highlight this particular word throughout this file. So this also contains these two letters in sequence, so IS and then IS. Now it has highlighted all the places where the word IS was found, where these two letters were found in sequence. Okay, but it has taken the cursor to the very next occurrence after second. Okay, so this means that / is used to search ahead in the file. So it has taken me after the word second. So it has not taken the cursor to anywhere at this occurrence of his or at this occurrence of his. It has taken just after the word second, wherever this is occurs, it has taken me to that position. So similarly, if on the word second only I search for word this, okay, so this has highlighted both the occurrences of this, but the cursor is right now placed at the second occurrence of this. Why? Because it / searches in the forward direction and * searches in the backward direction. So let us verify that also. If I am right now, my cursor is placed at the word second, okay, at the same place where it was earlier, but in this case I am using * to search instead of /. Now if I press enter, it will highlight both the occurrences of this, but it has taken the cursor to the previous occurrence of this. So the occurrence of this, which is somewhere towards the upwards direction from the word second. Okay, now you can also switch to various occurrences of this word by pressing N. So pressing N will take you to the next occurrence of this. Okay, suppose we have this word this in multiple lines. Suppose we have the word this in multiple lines. Now I search the word this over here, okay, using the forward slash. Now if I press small n, it will take me, every time I press small n, it will take me to the next occurrence of the word this in the direction which is top to bottom. But if I want to go to a previous occurrence of word this, I will press capital N. So pressing capital N will take me to the previous occurrence of this in direction bottom to top. Okay, similarly when you search using question mark, so the next occurrence would be above this particular line. Okay, so it will search in the opposite direction. So when you press small n, it will take you to the previous occurrence of the word this, but when you press capital N, it will take you to the next occurrence of the word this. Okay, so this was about forward slash and question mark and searching for a particular string in the escape mode. Now let us study about Y, which is yanking or copying the particular line. So how to copy a particular line? You go on top of that particular line, take your cursor over there, then press Y 2 times. Okay, pressing Y twice will actually copy that particular line. Now I have come at the bottom and I will press P, so it will paste that particular line. Okay, so let me try this again. So I'll go to the first line, I'll press Y 2 times, so this will actually copy the first line, and whenever I go take my cursor anywhere else and I press P over there, it will paste that particular line in a line below my cursor. If I wanted to paste in a line above my cursor, what will I do? What I'll do is I'll press capital P. So capital P is to paste before the particular line, the line that I am on at that particular time, and small p will paste below the particular line on which I am at that particular time. So that is how you can copy and paste. So to cut, you have to use D. Okay, so you can press D twice and it will cut that particular line at which you are at that particular time. And similarly, to paste, you can go anywhere else and you will press P, it will paste after that particular line. If you will press shift P, it will paste before that particular line. So that is how you can use Y and D and P. So Y is for copying. Press Y twice, it will copy that particular line at which you are at that particular time, and you can go anywhere else and press P, it will paste that particular line. So shift P or capital P will paste on a line before the particular current line, and small p will paste after the current line. Okay, so that is about copying, cutting and pasting, and similarly we can use the arrow keys to move around our text file in the VI editor that we have already learned earlier also. Okay, so this was about something else about the escape mode. Now you might be wondering that I have taught you only copying one line at a time or cutting one line at a time. So what if you want to copy and paste multiple lines in VI editor? Well, all that is possible, and we will be doing that, we will be learning that when we will reach to that level. But for the time being, let us explore VI editor further, and when we come to that level we will actually learn VI editor advanced commands, and there we will learn how to do all that stuff. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this small video, and next what we will do is we will explore the other modes of VI editor. And till then, continue to watch the course Linux Operating Systems Basics with Vagish Kumar. Thank you.